How to log out of Fiverr. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log out of Fiverr on your Android or iOS. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Fiverr. After you open up your Fiverr, you will see your profile. You can head over to the More section on the bottom right. And after you're there, you can just scroll and you can just, explore. So if you head over to settings and if you head over to general, you won't find any options. So first, our goal is to find a logout button. So head over to your settings, you can head over to your account there, and still you won't find any option to log out. You can also head over to your privacy, and if you scroll down under privacy, again you will not find any option to log out. So the only option through which you can actually log out on Fiverr is by simply deleting the app. So you can delete the app, and to delete the app, long press on Fiverr and tap on delete app. Now tap on the delete button to completely delete Fiverr, and after you delete the app, you'll get logged out automatically. And that's how you log out of Fiverr. And that is basically all for the video as well. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to App Hacks and stay tuned for more.